Good catch, Samson. Good job. You're such a good hunter. We'll never starve because we'll always have plastic cherries to eat. Well, with you hunting. There we go. There you go. There you go. Good boy. He wouldn't play with it at first. He was unsure, so I tied the cherry on because he really likes that cherry toy. Yeah, he seems to be okay with the, I don't know, rubber thing? I don't know what that is. Good job, Samson. Good boy. This is on slow mode. Wait until he sees fast. Did that go after your cherry? Look at it, trying to get your cherry. You better guard that toy. This is a really old one. I had two. The motor doesn't seem to be working on the other one. This one, the motor is working, but probably not great. Hard to tell because it's on the slow mode. Let's try. Let's go to random. Woo! Might be a bit much. Let's try medium. There we go. That's your speed. Do you have to go potty? Hey, Tux. Tux actually might recognize the sound, even though he hasn't played with it for a few years. Hi, Tux. No. You get that, Samson. Get that thing. Good job. Oh my goodness. You are the best hunter. Get that thing. There it goes. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. I have to prime him to react to my voice for when there's bugs in the house. It's part of being a cat owner. Get it, get it, get it. Get it. Oh, good job. Good boy. That's such a good job. Catch it. Here it comes. Get it. Get it, get it, get it. There you go. Good try. Oh. I think it's mocking you. Good job, little guy. Good job, Samson. Usually cats, well, in my experience, cats don't respond to, like, dog speak. Like, dogs you can encourage to catch something. They'll get super excited. But this little guy, he seems to, I don't know. He responds to his voice. I've only had him for, what, 4 days? 5 days? So, might just be my little puppy. He was super social at the vet, and he really wants to be with my other cats. So I think he's just maybe just a social dude. You get it, Samson? Did you catch it yet? Almost. Oh, good boy. Good job. Good boy. His way of unhooking its claws is just to flail around, and I have to say it's rather effective. Most kittens I've seen this age don't know how to unhook their paws. They just kind of sit there stuck. He just goes straight into acrobatics. Should we turn the speed up? It's coming after you! You better catch it before it catches you. Good boy. Good job, Samson. Good boy. There he goes. You get your claw stuck. Yeah. Good boy, Samson. Good job. Good catch. Good boy. Alright, I think you're ready for fast. Let's see. The motor of this thing is totally not great. He likes to get in this thing. Oh, there he goes. And like hang from underneath. And then he'll completely hang underneath. You can see. And just propel himself along. And Tex did a lot of that. I didn't get Steam and Tex until they were probably about 6 months though, so I missed the early kitten phase. But Tex did a lot of like upper body propelling himself around. Like he would lay on the carpet and just pull himself along, pull himself upstairs by his upper body. Yeah, so this dude's doing the same thing. That's how you get nice and strong, huh, Samson? So he has that cut on his stomach, and the vet said, don't let him get too rambunctious. But he's a kitten. But he likes to climb, and then he'll just jump off stuff, like without even measuring the height. So at least with this toy, he's on the ground. And he likes doing little somersaults. Good job, Samson. He'll jump up in the air and then land on his head and go into a full frontal flip / somersault. That's his latest trick. How am I supposed to keep you from getting rambunctious? That's just not possible. That's just not possible. You gotta go potty? I cleaned that whole area for you. Alright, we're gonna go potty.